Hi everyone, welcome back to How to Login. I'm back with another tutorial video on how to reset your password for a Huntington Bank account. If you've forgotten your password during the login in process and you're stuck right there in the login area of Huntington Bank, then keep watching the video till the end, since we'll be learning on how to reset to a new password if you've forgotten your password during the login in process for Huntington Bank. Before beginning, if you are watching us for the first time, subscribe to our channel and also hit the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Start off by opening up a web browser. Right in the address box at the top of the screen, type in www.huntington.com and press enter. In the official website of Huntington Bank, which looks like this, you'll be able to see a pop-up box appearing at the upper right where it says login. Go ahead and select the account type from the tab at the top. Enter your username in the text box that appears. If you happen to remember your password during the process, type it in the box. If not, click on Forgot Password link. This will open up a new tab and you'll be directed on how you'll be able to reset your password. Type in your username one more time into the text box where it says username, and then type in your last 4 digits of your social security number or your tax ID number in the next box. After you're done, click continue and your account will be verified on the next page. Follow the on-screen prompts and you'll be able to reset to a new password, which will be much easier for you to remember next time. That is how you'll be able to reset your password for your account when you've forgotten your password while logging into Huntington Bank account. I hope the tutorial was helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes again. Thank you for watching.